here's a little project that we did for Grandma's birthday. So first of all, we gathered some toilet paper rolls. We cut them in half. We painted them. And then we glued some pretty decorations on them from color paper. And see, all types of designs, or some ribbon on it, some shiny ribbon, or some cloth ribbon, some extra little studs like this. So you can see all of them have different types of decorations. Some shiny paper from a cookie wrapper, some wrapping paper, and we cut them out. Most of them are cut with these kind of scissors for a nice pattern, or we glued little pieces of foam on top. As you can see, all different kinds of decorations. And these are little napkin holders. We thought that we'd make her a whole bunch of napkin holders, so when the family's all together, each one can have their own. And then I collected some little sayings all about grandmas. There's no place like home except grandma's, for example. A grandmother is a little bit of a parent, a little bit teacher, and a little bit best friend. Anyway, they're all sweet sayings which we glued together on pieces of color paper, and then we roll them up into the tissue rolls, and we're going to put them together in this box here and wrap it as a little present. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this little idea in case you'd like to make something like this with your children. It's a great gift for dads and moms, or grandmas, grandpas, and brings lots of cheer and love to your family as they read them together, they read them out, and enjoy the fun.